Hey team, belated, but 14.8 finally kickoff. So the planning issue is out there for you to review. It's in the pipeline execution project, and I'll link to it below the video. High level, the theme around this issue or theme around this milestone is runner minute enforcement for those non-OSS public projects. So some of the goals that are going to build up to that theme, or some of the goals for the milestone, are hardening limits for CI minutes usage for projects created after that July 17th date of 2021. And that is our number one or the only verified P1 that right now is planned. We do expect that some things roll over. We also want to and have a spike around identifying who can see CI minute usage. And so that spike is out there. If you want to take a peek at that. We just want to kind of consider who should be able to see that data, what they should be able to do with that data. So this is related to another issue that's going to be coming up later around defining some explicit policies around who can see those CI minutes, what they can do with those as part of the CI minutes limits for the public projects. So that spike leads into that. The other goal for me for the milestone is to reduce our carryover of issues. You can see, and part of that is holidays, part of that is engineering allocation. We have definitely had more issues carrying over than we're getting done. And that's not stopping us from planning a bunch of issues into the next milestone. So you can see in our board, it's pretty light for what's already planned for 14.8. But we do expect a significant number of items in 14.7 to carry over as well. And so we'll be stack ranking those as things move over, but definitely trust in that verified P1, P2, P3 as you look for items to work on pulling from the left if everything to the right is already in a state where you can't move it along or help out. So that covers the verified P1s. We didn't have any P1s that are front ends that are new in 14.8. We're continuing to look for more front end work, especially around our OKRs. We talked about the spike, adding some more detail to a 403 message about what somebody needs to do or why they would need a validated credit card from those actions. That is a backend issue. Another backend issue is assigning those custom AppDex targets. So hopefully we'll have some folks rolling off the engineering allocation back on the team on the back end who can help with those. And Sam and Abiel and I continue to look for more front end work, especially around our OKRs, like I mentioned. So I'll link to this issue, and from there you can get to the other issues below the video, as well as in the Slack message that I will post here shortly. Thanks.